Good morning, second PC students. Today, integration by using the partial fractions. So, some more important problems. Today, maybe all problems are important. So, listen carefully. Let us go to the next problem. Integral 1 by x into x power n plus 1. Important problem. Integral 1 by x into x power n plus 1 dx. X into x power n plus 1 dx. So, divide and multiply x power n minus 1 both sides. Divide and multiply x power n minus 1. So, integral x power n minus 1 by x into x power n plus 1 into x power n minus 1 dx. Integral x power n minus 1 by x power n minus 1 into x power n minus 1 into x, a power m into a power n is equal to x power n minus 1 into x is equal to x power n minus 1 plus 1 is equal to x power n. So, x power n into x power n plus 1 dx. So, put x power n is equal to t. Put x power n is a very important one, important problem. So, derivative with respect to x. Derivative of x power n into x power n minus 1 into dx is equal to dt. So, x power n minus 1 dx is equal to 1 by n into dt. Okay, clear? X power n minus 1 into dx is equal to 1 by n. So, 1 by n dt by x power n is equal to what? T into t plus 1. So, 1 by n constant to integral 1 by t into t plus 1 dt. Okay. Next, 1 by n into integral partial fractions a by t plus b by t plus 1, first rule. So, directly t plus 1 minus t by t plus 1 minus t cancel 1. So, this numerator reduces into combined or subtract or adding and subtract. Adding or subtract of these two numbers. It becomes 1. Okay. So, t into t plus 1 dt. Divide 1 by n into integral t plus 1 by t into t plus 1 dt minus t by t into t plus 1 divide both in big bracket. So, t plus 1 cancel 1 by n into integral 1 by t minus integral 1 by t plus 1 dt. Integral 1 by dt, 1 by n into integral 1 by t log mod t minus log mod t plus 1 plus c. So, answer what is log? Find log a minus log b is equal to log a minus log b is equal to 1 by n into log a by b. A by b means t by t plus 1. So, 1 by n into log mod, what is t? T is equal to x power n. T badalu x power n by x power n plus 1. This is important one. Okay. Once again, x power n already hint already given, hint is already given. So directly x power n divide and multiply x power n, multiply and put n, x power n is equal to t, this one. Okay, right on. Is it clear? Same problem, same model problem. Integral 1 by x into, this is the problem number 2 on coin. Integral 1 by x into x power 4 minus 1 dx. This is problem. X power n. Multiply the before problem. Divide and multiply x power n minus 1. Here x into x power n minus 1. But before problem what is the model? 1 by x into x power n minus 1. The type of problem, put x is equal to t is equal to what? X power n. And multiply and divide which number? X power n minus 1. So here the method x power 4 is equal to t, so put x power 4 is equal to t, 4x cube into dx is equal to dt, 4x cube into dx is equal to dt. So this is the procedure. Some better procedure is, what is the better procedure? First divide and multiply x cube by x into x power 4 minus 1 into x cube dx. Divide and multiply x cube both sides. So integral x cube by x into x cube x power 4 minus x power 4 minus 1 dx. So which one is t? Put x power 4 equal to t, because the derivative of x power 4 is equal to 4x cube. Okay. X power 4x cube is equal to t, 4x cube dx is equal to dt. So x cube dx is equal to 1 by 4 dt. So x cube dx is equal to 1 by 4 dt by x power 4 is equal to t into t minus 1. 1 by 4 into integral t minus of t minus 1 by t into t minus 1 dt. E 1 by 4 constant separate from the integral, and t minus, this is denominator. How many values are there? 2 values are there. 2 values. In adding the 2 values or subtracting, any you have to do any plus or minus. T plus t minus 1. For example, t plus t minus 1 is equal to what? 2t minus 1. No use, because numerator becomes 1. Okay, we have to come 1. So t minus of t minus 1 equal t cancel, minus or minus 1 is equal plus, or t minus 1 minus t anko. For example, t minus 1 minus t cancel, it becomes minus 1. Okay. So this is correct. The two numbers adding or subtracting. This is a, this is b. A minus b or a plus b. B minus a, b plus a, or any type. So 1 by 4 into, this is the big bracket, integral t by t into t minus 1 dt minus integral t minus 1 by t into t minus 1 dt. Tt cancel. So 1 by 4 big bracket integral 1 by t minus 1 dt minus integral 1 by t dt. So 1 by 4 is equal to integral 1 by t is equal to log mod t minus log mod t. So 1 by 4 into log a minus log b is equal to log a by b, t minus 1 by t plus c. So 1 by 4 into log t is equal to x power 4 minus 1 by x power 4 plus c. Result, for example, integral 1 by x into x power 5 minus 1 dx. What is the answer? From the problem, above problem, direct answer. This is x into 1 by x into x power 4 minus 1. Here 1 by x into x power 5 minus 1. So the difference is power 4. Here this is 5. Only power is difference. So answer 1 by 4. The answer is 1 by 5 into log mod x power 5 minus 1 by x power 5 plus c. Direct answer. This is the CET bit, direct bit. Okay. Integral 1 by x into x power 5 plus 1 dx. So the first problem in this today, the before problem, what is the integral? What is the answer? Integral 1 by x into x power n plus 1 dx. What is the answer? 1 by n into log mod x power n by x power n plus 1 plus c. This is the answer. In the same way, what is the power? X into x power 5 plus 1 dx. What is the answer? 1 by 5 into log mod x power 5 by x power 5 plus 1 plus c. This is the important result in CET also. The n. Okay. N we have to prove, and at the same way, and hence they find the value of integral 1 by x into x power 5 plus 1. Same procedure. Here are n is equal to 5. Or for example, integral 1 by x into x power 10 plus 1 means here n is equal to what? 10. Substitute only x is equal, n is equal to 10. This one. Okay. The very important results. And okay. It's clear. The two problems, same method, same problems. But the first problem x power n. Here the second problem is given x power 4. Integral dx by, next another problem, this is also very important, integral 1 by x square into x square plus 1 dx. Warning, x into a. What is the answer? X into x square plus 1. What is the answer? Direct answer. Here n is equal to what? 2. What is the answer? 1 by 2 into log mod x power n. So x square by x square plus 1 plus c. The answer. Okay. So this is the same model problem. Now first x square plus 1 plus x square. So this is converted easy procedure. X square plus 1 minus x square by x into x square plus 1 dx. So x square common, it becomes 1. The compulsory it becomes 1. So x square cancel, x square plus 1 minus x square. So multiply x square plus 1 by x into x square plus 1 dx minus integral x square by x into x square plus 1 dx. X square cancel, integral 1 by x dx minus 1x cancel, x by x square plus 1 dx. So x by x square plus 1 dx, divide and multiply 2. Divide and multiply 2. So this is the direct integral 1 by x dx, or divide and multiply 1 by 2. Integral 1 by x is equal to log x minus 1 by 2 into log mod 1 plus x square plus c. Because what is the formula? Integral f dash of x by f of x dx is equal to log mod f of x plus c. Log mod f of x plus c. So this is f of x. X square plus 1 is equal to f of x. What is the f dash of x? What is the derivative of x square plus 1? Derivative of x square plus 1 is equal to 2x. So apply this formula. We have to apply this formula. Direct answer. Okay. Next, this is also very important. Today all problems, important problems, all problems. So 2x by x square plus 1 into x square plus 3. Okay, listen, clear? Integral 2x by x square plus 1 into x square plus 3. Integral 2x by x square plus 1 into x square plus 3 dx. Integral 2x by x square plus 1 into x square plus 3. So put x square is equal to t. Put x square is equal to t. Derivative of x square 2x. 2x dx is equal to dt. X square is equal to t. In the partial fractions, in the totally 5 methods, 5 rules are there in partial fractions. In the denominator, this is numerator, denominator, only x minus a, x plus a, 2x plus 3, this type of only denominator, only this type of model. So x square plus a, x square plus b, nothing to this type of problems. Okay, so this type of problems is converted into the partial fractions rules, convert into the rules of the methods of partial fractions. How to convert? So x square is equal to t, 2x dx is equal to dt. So 2x dx is equal to dt by 1 by t plus 1 into t plus 2. Look at this problem. So this is the form of partial fractions method. So partial fractions method means what? A by t plus 1 plus b by t plus 2. This is the normal partial fraction method. This is a direct method. We have to do the first method. We can do direct. Okay, what is direct? T plus 2 minus t plus 1 by t plus 1 into t plus 2 dt. Now note, calculate this t minus t 0, 2 minus 1 1 become 1 is correct, clear. So integral t minus means 1 by t plus 1 minus 1 by t plus 2 dt. Integral 1 by t is equal to log t minus integral 1 by x is equal to log x plus c. Log a minus log b is equal to log a by b. T plus 1 by t plus 2 plus c, that is equal to log mod. What is t? T is equal to what? X square. X square plus 1 by x square plus 2 plus c. Simple. This is the partial fraction. This is the model partial fraction integration by using the partial fractions first method. So this problem can do easily. This is the easiest method, direct method. Subtract or adding adding or subtract two numbers. This is the first one, second one. The two numbers adding or subtracting, any method. This is balance. The total, after calculation, the value it becomes 1 dt. dt means what? 1. It becomes 1. So it becomes 1 means that type of procedure, that procedure is correct. Okay, ಇದು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ. ಇದು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುವಲ್గా ಇದು a ಬೈ ಟಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 b ಬೈ ಟಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ಸು ಈ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಆ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೆಂದಿ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡು. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಟಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಟಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 2 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, 2 ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ 2ನು ಮೈನಸ್ಸು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ದು, ಆರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ದು, ಆರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ದು, ಆ್ಯಡಿಂಗು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟಿಂಗು ಯಾವುದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದು ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ. ಫೈನಲ್ಗೆ ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು? 1 ಬರಬೇಕು. 1 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 2 ಬಂದರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ 2 ಅಂಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ 2. ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ನೀವು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋ, ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಈ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ ನೀವು. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Next one. Integral x square plus 1 into x square plus 2 by x square plus 3 into x square plus 4 dx. Put x square is equal to t, not derivative. Don't do derivative. Okay, direct. So t plus 1 into t plus 2 by t plus 3 into t plus 4 dx. Separating ಮಾಡಿ. x square is equal to t. So t plus 1 by t plus 1 into t plus 2 by t plus 3 into t plus 4. This is the proper or improper? Proper fraction or improper fraction? Improper fraction, because this is numerator t into t square, degree 2, denominator degree 2. So next multiply t square plus 2t plus t plus 3t plus 2 by t square 4t plus 3t 7t plus 12 by the long division procedure. What is the long division procedure? So t square here long division t square plus 3t plus 2 equal to t square plus 7t plus 12 t square plus 70 plus 12. So into 1. First t square cancel ಆಗಬೇಕು. We have to cancel at t square first. So t square plus 70 plus 12 minus minus cancel 3t minus 70 minus 4t 2 minus 12 minus 10. So this is for example 7 by 3. 7 by 3 is equal to what? 7 3 3 2s 6 and 1. This is what is first one? 2 plus 1 by 3. 6 plus 1 2 plus 1 by 3. So this is 2 plus 1 by 3 here, that is equal to this is 1 plus minus 4t minus 10 by t square plus 70 plus 12. So that is equal to 1 minus 4t plus 10 by t plus 3 into t plus 4. This improper fraction reduced into proper. Okay, 1 minus of this one. So we convert into proper. So 40 plus 10 by t plus 3 into t plus 4 is equal to a by t plus 3 plus b by t plus 4. What is the LCM? LCM is equal to a. So t plus 3 into t plus 4 LCM. A into t plus 4 plus b into t plus 3. So 4t plus 10 by t plus 3 into t plus 4 cancel. Both are cancel. So first we want a value. So how to calculate a value? How to find a value? So a value, we want a value. So the b term totally 0. Okay, b term becomes 0. So what is one? Put t is equal to minus 3. So t is equal to minus 3 means 4 into minus 3 plus 10 is equal to a into minus 3 plus 4. So minus 12 plus 2 minus 2. Minus 2 is equal to a. A is equal to minus 2. Next b value. We have to find b value. How to find? The totally a term will be 0. So put t is equal to minus 4. T is equal to minus 4. 4 into minus 4 plus 10 is equal to a 0 b into minus 4 plus 3. So minus 16 plus 10 minus 6 is equal to minus b. So b is equal to 6. So that is equal to 1 minus, what is a value? A value is equal to minus 2, minus 12, minus 2 by t plus 3 plus b is equal to 6 by t plus 4. So integral 1 minus 2 by t plus, what is t? What is t? T is equal to x square plus 3 plus 6 by x square plus 4 dx. Integral 1 dx minus into minus plus 2 1 by x square plus 3 is equal to root 3 whole square dx minus 6 integral 1 by x square plus 2 square dx. So integral x plus 2 into integral 1 by x square plus a square 1 by a into tan inverse x by a x by root 3. So minus 6 into 1 by a into tan inverse x by a x by 2 plus c. So x plus 2 by 3 into tan inverse of x by root 3 minus 3 into tan inverse of x by 2 plus c. This is a lengthy problem but important to look at the problem. Okay, integrations by using the partial fractions, main important models are completed, maximum completed. Tomorrow integral by parts. Integral by parts means u into v formula. U into v, derivative of u into v. Same as integral u into v by parts. Tomorrow I will discuss. Okay, thank you.